What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the tactical water microfilter. Now they're claiming that this removes 99.9999% of waterborne pathogens. Make water healthy anytime, anywhere. Drill, relief support, fishing, camping. Anywhere you can find some water, you can use this bad boy. All right, so we got a diagram of what the whole thing is and how it's put together. We've got a nice little carrying pouch, like a felt carrying pouch, very nice. We got some parts, back flushing device, and then we have some tube. We got a long one and we got a short one. Obviously this is gonna be for transferring the water. So I'm guessing you're gonna use this with some clean water to push it back through to clean it out. I'm guessing, because that's what it sounds like. All right, now the device itself. Oh boy, oh that's metal. This is a heavy duty thing. This feels sturdy. This has got some weight to it, not bad. So here we have the pump handle. How do you use this? You pull it up. Oh, there we go. You pump it like this. All right, so you get the long cable and you put the float on it. You put the sinker on it. And this helps the hose get to the bottom. Then you get the pre-filter. All right, and then you connect it to the bottom, and then you get the output hose, and that goes to the top. All right, so there we go. There's the whole, that's the whole mechanism. Okay, so the idea is this goes into the cup or the wherever you have the dirty water, and then this goes into a clean bottle or another cup where you want the clean water to come out too. Okay, so, all right, so the part that I'm actually dreading, I have a cup of very dirty water. Now, this actually consists of some dirt that I took from my backyard with some grass, and then I thought, hey, let's make it like a Bloody Mary, but it's a muddy. This is my Muddy Mary, and this is what we're gonna use. So I hope it works, man. I hope it works. And then we got a clean glass where the water is gonna go into. Okay, here we go. So you put it in. Ooh, ooh, yuck. All right, here we go. Am I doing this right? Whoa, look at that clean water coming out. It's coming out. Okay, so there's a slight problem here. There's a little too much debris going on in the water. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pour the dirty water into a cup and get rid of all the junk. Okay, so I got rid of the majority of all the debris that was in there and left primarily only dirt. We're gonna give it another shot. Here we go. All right, here we go. Oh, that's so much better. Yes, that's what it was. It was the debris. All right, I got enough. I think I clogged it again, but no biggie. Okay, so you could see that there is definitely a clear difference. I'm still seeing some yellow in here. I'm not gonna attempt to drink that, but for the sake of science, I am going to drink this. So, bottoms up, and it was good knowing you guys. Huh. That doesn't taste bad. It's drinkable water. Now, it's still, you see there's still kind of like a little yellow haze to it. I'm not really sure what's going on there, but I have an idea. I'm gonna go empty this out and we're gonna filter this and see if it comes out even clearer through a second pass. All right, so I have cleaned this thing out. It should be completely clean. All right, we filtered it a second time. It's a little less yellow now. It tastes the same than it was when it filtered through the first time, which is, it tastes clean. It kind of has a little bit of like, it is tap water, so it definitely tastes like tap water. It clearly worked. It went from mud to that. I don't taste or feel any kind of graininess or anything like that, so I mean, it works. It's just a little bit odd with all the tubes and everything. I'm sure that if I was in a survival situation or I was in a situation where I had no access to clean water, I definitely would not mind all the tubes. I just want some clean water. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. As usual, I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. It's water.